So this is the Nintendo Labo, and it is extremely cool. So basically, all the things that you see here on the cover that look like they're made of cardboard here, it's because they are. So let's open this up and I'll show you. So this is with the Nintendo Switch, and this is the vehicle kit. There are different kits you can get, but this one's the vehicle kit. So it involves making vehicles or making steering wheels or joysticks that control vehicles. But it's really, really cool. It's kind of like, you know, your own toy construction set. So basically, you open it up, you get the Nintendo cartridge. So you pop this into your Switch. Click on the game and select make. It all obviously, as you can see, it's Toy-Con 03, just like on the front there. It said 03, so they match, and so it will walk you through constructing all of these different things because it knows the kit that you have. So you pop it in to your Switch, hit make, and get going. And then inside the box are all of the rings, rubber bands, and strings that you might need. And then here you just have, I mean, just a bunch. I can show you how thick they get here. You got a bunch, and that's about half of cardboard cutouts. So it tells you, you know, which cardboard cutout to go to, and then you punch it out. These are pre-cut, and you literally construct your own toys and controllers to play along with the game. So as you can see here, this one kind of like a helicopter there. This one's got wings, and as you can see, all I did was touch it and it started to kind of separate there. So really easy to punch out, great for kids, and you can literally just go along. If there are smaller pieces, they're numbered there, as you can see, to go along with the letter in the top corner there, and it really just guides you all the way through. It is hands-on interactive learning. So really, really cool. We got this from a friend. Before we got it, I had no idea what it was, and now my kids are obsessed with it. So yeah, definitely check it out. So it is the Nintendo Labo. I'll put this back together here. So this is what you get when you open the box. The game there, all your little nuts, bolts, strings, rubber bands, and then behind it just a big stack of the cardboard cutouts you'll use to make the stuff like you see on the box here. So Nintendo Labo, make, play, discover. It really is true. It's really one of the cooler toys I've ever seen the kids play with. So definitely worth checking out.